And to apply ML and DL techniques in cyber security data analytics, a process is typically followed like there are several steps we used to follow. Data collection. First, we are collecting data from various cyber security sources. Wherever data is presented, wherever databases are presented, so there you can expect a cyber security issue is there. There we are collecting network logs, system logs, malware data, and error data, and network port scanning, user behavior logs. We are collecting data collection in the first step. Then second step, data pre-processing. So data pre-processing is a very important step in this process. We are eliminating noisy data, redundant data, inconsistent data, and dirty data, and outliers and missing values. So in this data pre-processing step we are performing. Then feature extraction. What are the features if you take in face recognition application? What are the features you are considering into the face? Moles on the face, the forehead distance, and the distance between mouth and nose, and the cheek distance, and the chin length. There are various constraints. If you are increasing, definitely your accuracy will be increasing. So extracting relevant features from the data that can be used for analysis. Then model training. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Selecting an appropriate machine learning and deep learning algorithm, and training model using prepared data. So model evaluation is nothing but we are evaluating the performance of the model using validation data and selecting the best model. So model deployment means once our product is ready, we are deploying that product into the market. So environment to detect and prevent cyber attacks. So how machine learning techniques can be used in cyber security? If you see, machine learning techniques can be used in cyber security to enhance the detection and prevention of cyber attacks. So that's why machine learning techniques can help organizations to improve their cyber security posture by detecting and preventing cyber attacks in real-time environment. So there are various machine learning algorithms are used in cyber security, like anomaly detection. What is meant by anomaly detection? It is a technique. It is used to identify number of attacks, malicious attacks, cyber criminal attacks, unusual network traffic attacks, unauthorized access attempts to abnormal user behavior. There we are using anomaly detection. Keep in mind, anomaly detection is one of the machine learning algorithm for the large data set of normal network traffic patterns to detect anomalies that could indicate a cyber attack or malware attack or phishing attack, or you can call it as a emotet attack, etc. Then second one is a malware detection. Malware detection is one of the machine learning algorithm. It is a technique to identify patterns or model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality in code or network behavior that are indicative of malware. Malware is a software which behaves unusual behavior. So malware can be a ransomware example for malware. So this can help detect and prevent malware infections in real-time environment. That's why we are using malware detection. Then one more example, user behavior analysis. So user behavior analytics is one of the machine learning algorithms, can analyze user behavior, whether the person is behaving normal or abnormal. See, if you see cyber terrorist, their behavior is abnormal, and identify patterns that are indicative of potential security breach. Breach is nothing but incident, and cyber attack, criminal attack, malicious attack. Okay, so if an employee starts accessing sensitive data outside of their normal working hours from an unusual location, the algorithm can flag the behavior of as suspicious. That is comes under user behavior analytics. That's why in any organization, whoever resigned, those disgruntled employees, we used to call it as disgruntled employees. That means they are not related to that organization right now because they have resigned. They are simply they are accessing sensitive data of departmental activities, departmental data they are accessing and sending to others. So that is called a user behavior analytics. Then threat intelligence. So threat intelligence is also one of the machine learning algorithms, can analyze a huge volume of data and threats intelligence data from various sources to identify new and emerging cyber attacks, cyber criminal activities, cyber threats. This can help organizations to stay ahead of potential attacks. That's why we are using threat intelligence. Then fraud detection. Fraud detection is one of the machine learning algorithm can be used to detect fraudulent activity like credit card theft or money laundering activity in financial transactions. We are using ATM card details that comes under fraud detection.